In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit contacts in AOL Mail application. To edit contacts on your AOL Mail, you can simply follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open the AOL application and make sure to sign in to your account. From the main homepage, tap on the AOL logo at the top left and then tap on Contacts. Once you open up your Contacts tab, you will be able to see all of your contacts that you've added on AOL. Find the contact you want to edit and tap on it. Once you select the contact, click on their name at the top and you should be able to see the three dots appearing at the top right-hand corner right after you open up the contact. Simply tap on it and in the pop-up at the bottom, tap on Edit. You will then get to make necessary edit for your contact. Make changes to the contact information according to your selection. You can edit information such as phone number, email address, and their address. After making all of the necessary edits for the contact, tap on Save at the top right-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to make a change and update a contact information. If you need to edit multiple contacts, repeat the process for each contact you want to modify. And that should be able to help you edit contacts in AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.